Good morning, everyone who follows and joins us for Front Porch Friday. It's Melissa with Mountain Girl in Cody, Wyoming. Wherever you are, welcome to the fun today. It is our holiday open house weekend. Tonight is our special VIP night. That is where we invite our guests who have signed up to be invited to special events. And I have to say, we have over 50 people attending tonight. So it's working. Thank you so much for being willing to come and join us for these special events. You get special deals, refreshments. It's just fun when we all gather together, and it actually ends up being kind of like a Mountain Girl party. So many of us know each other. These are the clients that we know, recognize, call by name. Of course, in a perfect world, we know everybody by name, and we are trying, but that's what our VIP nights are for. So we are really excited about that tonight. But because you are joining us for Front Porch Friday, we are going to offer you a virtual opportunity to shop our holiday open house specials right from wherever you are. So I'm going to give you 3 deals that we're hosting or offering tomorrow, and then I want to tell you how you can do this. So if this is your first time joining us on Front Porch Friday, if you see something you want, just comment in the comment section what it is you'd like. And if it's something today that we're going to talk about a lot of stuff. So if it's something that you see today specifically, just throw it in the comments section. And after Front Porch Friday, we go back, follow up with you, and send you a message to just verify everything. And then we drop you an email link to check out. You can have it shipped wherever you like. It is so stinking easy. You're going to love it. The other way to shop is to schedule a virtual shop with us. If you are cool with FaceTime or a Google Meet, we can do that, or FaceTime video or Facebook video chat. That way we can spend time with you one-on-one. We partner you with one of our Mountain Girl team members and take you around the store and help you shop for whatever you like. And again, really easy. We check it all out at the counter. We email you the cart. You pay. You choose your method of shipping. We pack it up and send it out the next day. So really easy. The third way to shop virtually is just send us a message. If you don't have time to FaceTime, if you're busy at work, we'd be happy to assign somebody to you to text pictures. So maybe you're looking for your mother-in-law and you know her size, you know her style, you know her favorite color. Send us that information and we'll partner you with a team member and they can snap pictures. We did that the other day with a client where we just snap, snap, snap. We send her pictures. What do you think of this? We throw it on. I think this would fit. This looks really cute. And she was able to check out and get a bunch of shopping done. It is all about making it simple for you wherever you are. You don't have to be in Cody, Wyoming to shop Mountain Girl. So without further ado, let's talk about what we're offering. So for our holiday open house tomorrow and for you virtually, we are offering $20 off Wanakome. So that's the first deal. We've gotten several new styles in. This is my friend, Wanakome Girl. I'm really tall compared to the Wanakome Girl. This is our Sherpa lined zip front sweatshirt, and we offer a matching jogger. How cool would that be? I think this would be a great gift for your teen, or anyone who likes a cute casual lounge set that still looks put together. These joggers would be really great paired back to a denim jacket and a tank top and a little pair of tennis shoes. So if you are doing your Saturday errands and you want to be comfortable but still be fashionable, the Wanakome jogger would be a great option. And then everything about Sherpa is great when it's freezing out, right? It's been really cold here. I don't know where you are. If you're commenting, tell us how warm or cold it is wherever you are. Here in Cody, Wyoming, we were below 0 this morning, and that's kind of a bummer because it's only November. But I will say we had probably the best fall I can ever remember. So it's fine, and it's only temporary. So drop a comment. Tell us what the weather's like wherever you are. We're dying to know. Unless you're in Florida where it's 90 degrees and sunny, then I don't know if we want to know. I'm just kidding. All right, so Wanakome, $20 off. So that's off sweatshirts, joggers. We have pullovers, zip fronts. We have the hoods. We have the Hestia cowl neck. We have 3 kinds of sweatpants. Wanakome is for anybody, so that's your first sale to take advantage of. If you're interested and you want to virtually shop, send us a message, tell us what size you're looking for, maybe color preference, and we can start sending you pictures and help you shop for Wanakome. The second sale is ornaments, 20% off ornaments, and I want to swing you around here, so Katie's going to be my buddy here. We have several trees throughout the store that we have decorated with really unique, very pretty, tasteful ornaments. There's something for everybody, and every tree has a theme. So this one we started with a white and green base, and I see someone got funny and added in a little red church or house, but that's okay. These guys actually light up, so how sweet is that? Cute. These guys range in price. We have ornaments from $8 or $9 up to $20. I love getting ornaments every year. I love giving ornaments every year. We have something for everybody. We have cowboy boots and camper vans and houses and Santas and different animal shapes. So many cute ornaments. They're all 20% off. So again, if you aren't here in Cody and you want to shop virtually and receive that 20% off, we can either video chat with you and take you around the store and pick out all the cute ornaments, or if you have a list of people that you need ornaments for, drop us a message, send us the list, what you're looking for, and we can send you some pictures and create that virtual cart for you. Okay? Katie, you're gonna kill me, but the other one was logo wear, so we're gonna... The other discount is 20% off logo wear, and we love it when you wear your Mountain Girl logo wear. Wendy at Vision West and her team, Gabriella, they design the best personalized logo wear anywhere, okay? They are so creative. I'm like, so I think I want it to look like X, Y, and Z. Okay, no problem. And they send me all these ideas and they're perfect. So this is a really cool one. I'm digging the Wyoming. Crew neck sweatshirts are really popular right now. So this has Wyoming and our little bison and a pretty heathered navy. And then we added our leather patch down on the hem. Cool, I like a good preppy look. So all of our logo wear is 20% off. We have tees, this cute little raglan tee. This was one of our most popular designs this year with the hiking boot and the flowers. Mountain Girl Wyoming and a little raglan tee. We carry our logo wear in sizes extra small through 3X for women, and we carry it up to 2X in men's. So we have a size for everybody. We even have kids, little girls and little boys, so we can get you fitted for logo tees. We do have some new styles that we brought in. I really like this pretty teal. And gang, this stuff is selling fast. We already have to get a new order put in time for Christmas, maybe, hopefully. Wendy, if you're watching. But this is another cutie with the hiking boots and this pretty teal and a hoodie. So all of our logo wear is 20% off. Logo wear makes great gifts. So again, drop us a message if you have someone you're shopping for. We just need to know their size and what type of style they might prefer, and we can send you some pictures of what we have available, or we can video chat with you too. So logo wear, 20% off. So we have Wanakome $20 off, we have ornaments 20% off, and we have logo wear 20% off. So now I want to just take you through a quick little tour. We've been super busy here at Mountain Girl getting the store ready for Christmas. We're going to swing around this way. I'm going to meet you at a table because we have a new jewelry line that we want to share with you. So I'm going to go this way. Katie's going to swing the camera. Bear with us. I'll meet you over here. If I can share a little Mountain Girl secret, we were really trying to position the camera properly so you didn't see our messy counter. We were in early putting decor. Can you show them this without...
The lights aren't on, but yeah.
Oh, it's so cute, you guys. Check this out. We have these oversized ornaments in 2 sizes. We have these beautiful, drippy, frosted greens. You are welcome to shop from any display you see. That means I've done my job. All right, so Kinsey Designs is a new jewelry line that we just brought in specifically for holiday. I'm really excited about it. This is definitely my style. I am wearing, this is the Posy Lariat, I believe, right? Is that what we call this? Really dainty. They're all either gold, 24 karat gold filled or gold plated. So they're a high quality, but I am just shocked at the price point. Really achievable, perfectly giftable. They're made in the USA. This is a woman-owned company, and this dainty gold look is really popular. So a couple of my favorites, of course, the Lariat that I'm wearing. We also have little initial necklaces. We don't have any initial necklaces out. Oh, darn. Okay. Stay tuned to our social media channels because I know we have a reel and some posts planned. But the rings are adorable. So I'm really excited about the rings. Let me pull out my favorite. Where is it? Ah, right here. They're all adjustable, so you don't have to worry about the size. This one here is the Heba ring. It's $30. So I'm going to get in real close. You can see that. I only wear my gold band every day, And I thought, oh my goodness, how cute. I love it. Super cute. We have really pretty necklaces. This one's gorgeous. A slightly longer length on a ball chain with a crystal encrusted cross. Really pretty. This company's known for layering. So you could buy a couple and layer them up, and that's a really popular look now. This one here in particular is gold filled. And this is the Meyer. Oh, I'm like, why are there two tags? Oh, duh, one's on my ring. This is the Meyer necklace for $57. I want to get up close again. Isn't that pretty? Really pretty. So we have all kinds of designs here. We brought in a great sampling. Rings, earrings. How pretty are these? This is the Parker earring, $50. So really great price points. On trend. It's all just right to me. I don't want to take this off, but I'm gonna because it has a ticket on it. The bracelets are great for layering. Also, a little ball bracelet here. This one's called the Liam for $21. Again, this guy is gold filled, nickel free. So all kinds of pretty styles. If you'd like to get a closer look, we'd love to send you some pictures or do a video chat. But again, Kinsey Designs, made in America, woman owned, gold plated, gold filled, really great price points. Perfect for gifting or for your holiday looks. So follow me. Back in men's, we actually have two really great trees all decorated for holiday. This is our Woodland Dreams, I'll call it. We've used really nice painted blown glass, different shapes. This one has a moose on it. This has like two little snowy owls, little mushrooms, some feathers, faux antlers. I actually really like this tree, and this is typically not what I would put in my house. I want something a little more traditional, but this all came together, and I'm kind of enamored by it. I really like it. And then over here, this is another example of a tree showing all of our cool little unique ornaments. So we've got like a canteen, cute. This is a little vintage style lamp. Wait, what is that? Is that a lamp?
Yeah, camp lamp.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Cardinals are always really popular at the holiday. We have lots of trucks with trees. So we really were thoughtful when it came to our holiday ornaments. Here's another little tree. It's red. This one's cool. Vintage white car with a wreath on the front. Little fucking bronc here with Cody, Wyoming. So again, if you have an ornament list for people, just send us a message. I swear we have something for everybody. Okay, last stop before we let you go, because we have so much to do before tonight. I want to give you a little peek at our holiday looks. So if you saw our reel the other day, I was wearing this cool suit from Liverpool. So here at Mountain Girl, the bread and butter of our business is fashion, and we know you love fashion. So if you didn't see that reel, go back to our Facebook page or Instagram page and check that out. But I showed you 3 ways to style this really pretty glitter sleeve blazer from Liverpool. This is $119. We're sold out of the extra small, but we have size small through extra large available. Nicole Vigil, if you're watching, I have you in mind for this, so cool. We have it with the little tuxedo pant, and what's cool about these pants is they're cropped. They're not like a long flowy pant. We've seen a lot of those in the past. This here, it's all about the ankle length. So we've got the ankle length here with this tuxedo pant, and then over here we have an ankle length slim in a vegan leather. So I paired it for you all together as the suit. The pants are available in 0 through 14, and these are $98. So size 0 through 14 in the pants. I paired it with just a kind of traditional look with the blouse underneath a little cami. On our mannequin, we showed it with our Veronica M surplus front. I also paired it back to my Penelope Chilvers Salva booties. Now I thought about this, well, I think if I were to wear this outfit with the Salva booties, I'd probably swap this out for something a little more casual, like a cool graphic tee. But these are the boots I wore today. I wear them a lot. You know how much I love my Penelope Chilvers. Penelope Chilvers would be an amazing gift idea for the woman in your life. We just restocked on all of our styles, so we've got full size runs for you. These were very, very popular this summer and fall, and I have broken mine in quite nicely. I wear them every couple of days, and I would totally wear them back with this sparkly outfit, but again, I'd probably switch this out with a graphic tee. So if you're thinking, well, how in the world, what am I going to do with glittery pants and a glittery jacket after the holiday party? This would be great. Pair back to a denim. It'd be wonderful over a pretty little dress if you have a cruise or vacation planned after the holidays. The pants, again, graphic tee, oversized sweater, a fitted white tee and a denim jacket would be really cool. So I'm going to encourage you to get creative when it comes to how you wear these glitter pieces beyond the holiday party. But a little sneak peek of some other things we have in store. This long green velvet duster. Amazing, extra small through 3X in this. So ladies, I have a size for literally everyone. If you're not sure how to style a velvet duster, drop us a message. I promise you it's easy. And we're probably going to be doing a post here in the next few days on how to do it. So I'm thinking skinny jeans and a sparkly tank top. I'm thinking distressed skinny jeans and a basic tank. Really pretty. Heck, even over these pants, if you've got something kind of fancy to go to, this little velvet duster is going to be your go-to piece all holiday. Oh, and you'll probably want to know how much it is. It's a really good price. It's $74, again, extra small through 3X. We have that available. What else do I want to show you up here? These cool little vegan slim ankle pants, vegan leather. Vegan, you're like, vegan, what? Vegan leather is really popular this year. We actually have 3 styles, a gold from Cut, and then a black from Cut, and then this pretty black slim from Liverpool. Why I like the Liverpool so much is it's not a skinny, it's a cropped slim. So again, that is the new cut. Come spring, I guess they're calling it the skinny not skinny. Literally, that's what Liverpool calls it, skinny not skinny. But we've been selling this little slim cut like crazy. It's the perfect in between. Super chic, very slimming. It goes back to just about any shoe. It's cool to show a little ankle, that's okay. And it's very wearable, so you don't feel like you're, oh, I'm in my skinny jeans. So you get the look, but it's a little more comfortable, a little more relaxed. So that's been really popular, and I might pop over here, Katie, if it's cool, for one last look before we go. I am just adoring this little cutie. We had our holiday photo shoot last Sunday. We had 11 of us modeling different looks from the store. So over the next 5 weeks, you're going to be seeing some really, really beautiful, thoughtful looks from Mountain Girl. And this blouse was one of them. Our friend Stephanie Ramsey modeled it. So it's a little cropped with a waistband. So it's not like cropped, I guess that's wrong to say. It's waist length with a waistband, a pretty 3/4 length sleeve dolman. And in the back, it's open. So Stephanie styled it over a lace bralette, and it was lovely. And we had her, she did this with the gold cut, didn't she? Mm-hmm. Very nice. But I would probably, for work or whatever, I could see this going back to a distressed boyfriend jean with a little black heel. That'd be really cool. So this is like my favorite holiday blouse right now. It's only $53, and we have it available in extra small through extra large. And this guy's from Molly Bracken. Liverpool's doing great. You can see we've got lots of cool looks. If you have any needs for the holiday season, parties, get-togethers, lunches, whatever you have, holiday photo shoots, we would love to style you. If you have gifts that you need for people in your life, we have amazing gifts, cardigans. We can fit denim, I promise you. Don't be afraid. We have a woman here in Mountain Girl of every size, so we can get you fitted and consult you with you on that. So I would just encourage you guys to schedule your virtual shopping appointment. Why in the world wait till the last minute? Shop early, take advantage of those great sales for the holiday open house, get your checklist like completed, and pour yourself a cocktail and enjoy the holiday season. We are your little elves. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget, $20 off Wanakome, 20% off ornaments, and 20% off logo wear. All wonderful gift ideas. And if you'd like to shop with us and you're not here in Cody, again, we'll do it video chat. We can do it through just sending you pictures and text. Or if you've seen something you wanted today, drop it in the comment and we'll send you the cart and you'll be all set. Thank you so much, you guys. For those of you who are here, we can't wait to see you this weekend. Those of you who aren't, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. We can't wait to connect with you and help you get your holiday shopping done. Have a great day, everybody.